Welcome back guys my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to show you 3 amazing patterns of a 7x7 Rubik's Cube and cool patterns. So let's start. So first pattern is mat pattern. So let's make mat pattern in 7x7 Rubik's Cube. L2, L3, turn twice. U3, turn twice. L2, L3, turn twice. U3, turn twice. L2, L3, turn twice. D3, turn twice. L2, L3, turn twice. D3, turn twice. L2, L3, turn twice. D3, turn twice. L2, L3, turn twice. And D3, turn twice. See, this is a mat pattern in 7x7 Rubik's Cube. This side also. Now let's make Y pattern in 7x7 Rubik's Cube. L3, turn twice. U4, turn twice. L3, turn twice. U4, turn twice. See, this is a Y pattern in 7x7 Rubik's Cube. This side also. Now let's make zigzag pattern in 7x7 Rubik's Cube. 2L2, 2M2, 2R2, 2U2, 2L2, 2M2, 2R2, 2U2, 2L3, 2R3, 2U3, 2L3, 2R3, and 2U3. See, this is a zigzag pattern in 7x7 Rubik's Cube. This is a zigzag pattern. This side also. If you like this video, then also like, share, subscribe and comment my YouTube channel for more interesting and wonderful videos and review this video. Bye bye.